Happy Friday, guys. Welcome to my daily recap for August 1st. It is day 1 of August, and I did take 2 trades today. As you can see, I'm in the green, $1.07. So let's break these down. And so 9 minutes in, we had 3 trades on my screener altogether. FFAI, I wasn't really watching because it had 14 million shares of average volume. NAMM was just kind of trading down. It had kind of popped up at the open and then fell off, and so I wasn't really looking for any trades there. But I had my eye on FDMT. We kind of had this top here in the pre-market highs, and I wanted it to break through that really nice and strong before I took a trade on it. And right here you can see it just did that. But now I'm like, where do I get in on this thing? I'm watching the 15-second candle right here. And so right now we're going to get a formation of a new candle, but it's also a new minute. So I was a little skeptical to just jump in case we get this 1 minute pullback right here. Instead, it does pop up, and so I buy 6 shares right here. It goes up and I take half off the table when it stalls out. I'm in waiting to see if it pushes higher. But we've got this 15-second candle right here kind of flip-flopping between white and green. Almost wants to go. Comes back down and I sell everything right there. And so that was FDMT, 6 shares, $6.65 is where I bought it at. $6.72 is my average out. And so I'm up 7 cents a share on that stock for 40 cents. Total. The next stock I traded was NAMM. So this thing did end up doing something. I had seen it do this little break of VWAP right here. And I saw the 1 minute pullback and I was like, I don't know. It doesn't look that good. But I hopped over to this stock after checking out some others and I saw it was just about ready to break through this high right here. So I switch over to it and I was really quick on the keys, bought right there as it tried to break through this high right here. And it stuttered and stopped a little bit. And I'm like, oh no, I think we're going to go back down through this low right here, which would be my stop. But I'm hanging on because it's not really doing anything. I would have really liked to see it resolve quicker than this. MACD is still negative, but it's almost going positive. And so I'm like, this might be a trade. Falls back down. We get a new 1 minute candle. I'm like, this is it. We're either going lower or we're going higher. There's no way we stay in this. We start going higher. Breakthrough, I'm feeling pretty relieved. I take half off the table right there. And I let it go a little bit higher here. Pushes all the way up to 778. And I probably should have taken it right there. I took another half off the table, which is just 1 share. And it still got 2 shares here in my order. I'm watching these 15-second candles right here and it dips down white and I'm like, oh, I think we're going back down through my purchase price. And so I take it all off the table right there. A few minutes later, price does end up rejecting all the way back down here. So I'm pretty happy with my trade. I got out when I should have. And so it puts us up on NAMM, 5 shares, buying at $7.43, selling at $7.57. An average of 14 cents per share for 68 cents altogether. And that puts my daily profit, 11 shares traded total at an average of 10 cents per share. And it puts us somewhere right around $1.07. Did I follow my rules for the day? I did perform my pre-trade routine. I only traded after 4 a.m. and I was done before 4:40. I sold before I hit take profit, but the trades were stalling out, and as you can see, it was a good choice. I journaled each trade before I placed another, and I did not hit my max loss, so that one's good to go. And I took 2 or less trades per day. I guess you could check this one as well. I think I should change that rule. And what is happening to the account? Well, I started out with $100. And today I end at 101.07. It's a 1.07% gain for the day. 1% gain on your total account isn't too bad, I suppose, if you start scaling that up. But I realize that it's not a super big gap on the month, and I'm a little anxious for Monday coming in to see if I can continue this path upwards. So I'll see you guys then. Thanks for hanging out. Peace out.